You can quickly send an email to a vendor, provided you have entered their email address on the vendor record and have a default Windows email client set up. If you wish to attach a point-of-sale document to the email, use the emailing a document procedure instead. To email a vendor, display the vendor record from the vendor list. Let's choose Davis Business Associates. Let's show the details. Your email information is right here. We click on that. It brings up our email information. You can add a subject line and a body and your text. You can create your email information and then send. I'll go back to the home screen. Point of Sale does not support mass emailing to your vendor list. However, if you have another application capable of doing this, you can export your vendor list or your vendor list report, including email addresses, to Excel, then, depending on your application, import them for this purpose. And that concludes our demonstration on how to email a vendor from the vendor list.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and click on the bell to be notified when I make another video about point of sale. Thank you, everybody.